13 Lima Radio 4000 Germany.
3AT282.
This is 13 Lima Radio 4000 Germany.
3 Alpha Tango 282, São Paulo.
3 Alpha Tango 282, yes?
Roger, that's correct, my friend. Operator name Beto, like Bravo Echo, Tango Ocean.
Hey Beto, this is Didi from the Bavaria. I have a contact for you for 20-30 minutes. Okay, so no problem, Mr. Beto. This is a 13 Lima Radio 4000 in Germany.
Roger, my friend. Yes, for a moment I copy you very strong. Very strong signal. 59 plus 5 dB QSL.
Okay, yes, very nice, and many thanks for the information. Yes, I'm booming my antenna to Brazil at this moment. I'm booming my beam to Brazil.
Roger, 10 dB for now. 10 dB, very strong, Andy. Many thanks, dear, for nice contact and true contact today, okay? Best wishes and good Sunday, my friend. Have a nice day. Bye-bye, Andy. Bye. Ciao.
Beto, bye-bye, my good brother. 73, bye-bye.
Ciao, 73.
Secure, this is 13 Lima Radio 4000, 13 Lima Radio 4000 Germany.